Homestead. I'm Perry.
And I'm Kim.
And this is from some of that cedar that I showed you on my What a Mess video. That I got all that wood for 10 bucks. Kim's taking over my job. And getting these things screwed down. It's nothing new though, she does stuff like this all the time. Come on, Gracie. You're all going to get to meet Gracie. Somebody bought this great pair of knees on a Sunday, and on a Tuesday the mother decided they couldn't keep it. They were living in an apartment, and so they left their house heading to her sister's apartment to take the dog, and it ended up in the manager's office of the apartment complex, who happened to be somebody I know. And she called me, and we're really not planning on having another dog, but our daughter's going to take it for a few days and see if it fits with their family, and I hope it does. They like big dogs. They're not on a farm, but they have about an acre, maybe a little over an acre. But for right now, she's with us, and we just put up a premier fence, and she's been bit by it twice today, so she's a little skittish on coming back out here. But we'll get her where you can meet her. We'll put more screws and nails into this. We're just getting it tied together right now. One more nail. The other side there.
Nope, that's it. Gracie! Gracie girl!
You want to go get the pieces for the hoops?
Okay.
Happy?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So we can both do that.
It's hard to get a hold of. Good.
Okay.
Leave the bees alone, Ellie.
Yeah.
Ellie. Leave the bees alone.
Gonna get you. I got all this PEX at a store. A friend of mine was liquidating. A guy I help with estate sales once in a while. And I think I got all this PEX, 10-foot sticks of PEX for like $2 a piece. Which is a very good deal. Got neighbors going up the drive on each side of it.
I didn't do that very good. But it'll be fine.
That's why I told you to pick the spots. Because you're the one that wants
I know.
everything
Well,
exact.
I do want it right this way.
I know you do.
And it didn't look right. We got hoops on both the beds, ready for the fabric. There's one bed. And there's the other bed. Last year I did a little test on this fabric that I found at our Ace Hardware store. That's, I guess it's frost proof fabric. So I just bought some more of that, and that's what I'm going to cover these with. I did just a little, I had a little piece of a cattle panel, and I just planted some broccoli and some cauliflower because I never have any luck. The bugs always get it before I get a good head of broccoli or cauliflower. So last year was the first year we got any, and I only did a couple of each plant just to see how it would do, and it did good. So we're gonna try planting some in these two beds. So we'll see how it does. Well, Perry and I got our hoops up on our two raised beds, and we got another raised bed built. We've got quite a few more to go, but we're slowly but surely getting them done. I'm just praying we get them done by planting time. I'm glad we got the hoops up and I got the row covers on. I did end up having to lower the hoops because my plan didn't turn out the way it was in my head. So we plan to try to grow some broccoli, cauliflower, kale, lettuce, and maybe some cabbage in those hoop beds. I did a little test run last year. It was just like I had this piece of a cattle panel, and I found that fabric at my local Ace Hardware, and I was like, I've never seen it sold like that before, like where you buy the weed barrier. So I thought, well, let's give it a shot. So I put some plants under this short piece of cattle panel that I had, covered it with the row covers, and we got broccoli and cauliflower. Bad thing is I didn't grow near enough, but I learned that it does grow under there and the bugs don't get it. So the other thing is, I don't remember when I planted it. So I didn't write down anything about it. You know, you think you're gonna remember those things and then you don't. So I don't know if I planted it in March or May. So anyways, this will be another kind of test thing. I'm just using the little bit of knowledge I have and some common sense and just gonna do it. I mean, that's how we learn, right? I'm just so glad to get those in and ready to be planted in. Hopefully in the next video, we can get some planting in. Like to get the plants under the hoops, and I'll show you where I started them from seed, and then we'll go plant them. So I'm excited about that. So guys, until the next video, y'all take care, and we'll see you next time.